Now, I know that this technology is available in the U.S., Canada, and there's some other places it's available. Where can somebody go to get this stuff?
It's available worldwide. We started selling worldwide probably a couple months ago. We actually held on to the product for about a year as we were going through these studies, the efficacy studies with the University of Arizona and Oregon State University. We were really committed to making sure that we did our due diligence and that we were putting out a product that wouldn't have a negative side effect down the road. So now that that's happened, we launched it first in the United States. We were pleasantly surprised with the amount of people in multiple industries that were interested in the system and still are interested in the system. Via that success, we've been able to scale this into pretty much every continent at this point in time within the United States, or at least the major livable continents.